How can I switch SIM cards between iPhones?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore how to switch SIM cards between iPhones. Whether you've just purchased a new iPhone or you simply need to swap your current SIM to another device, this guide will walk you through the process.
Why would you need to switch SIM cards?
Understanding the why helps us better navigate the how. SIM cards contain vital information, including your phone number and data plan. If you're getting a new phone or traveling abroad, you may need to switch your SIM card from one phone to another.
What will you need?
To smoothly carry out this operation, you'll need 1. The iPhones you'll be switching the SIM cards between. 2. A SIM card ejector tool or a small paperclip if the tool isn't available. Make sure both iPhones are turned off before you start the process to prevent any data corruption or loss.
How to remove the SIM card?
To remove the SIM card from your iPhone, follow these steps. 1. Locate the SIM tray. This is typically found on the right side of the iPhone. 2. Insert the SIM ejector tool or paperclip into the small hole next to the SIM tray. 3. Press firmly and push. The tray should pop out. 4. Pull out the tray and take out the SIM card carefully.
How to insert the SIM card?
Once the SIM card has been removed from the first iPhone, it's time to insert it into the second iPhone. Here's how. 1. Take the SIM tray of the second iPhone out using the method explained above. 2. Place the SIM card on the tray. Make sure it fits snugly and the gold contacts on the card face downwards. 3. Carefully reinsert the tray into the iPhone. Make sure it's the right way up and that you're not forcing it in. Switching SIM cards between iPhones is a relatively straightforward task once you know the steps. We hope this guide has been helpful, and that your iPhone transition process is smooth and hassle-free. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.